Have you ever looked at your partner and thought, I love them, but it feels like we're miles apart? You're not alone. Every couple goes through moments of emotional distance, but what matters is how you find your way back to each other. Today, I'll share 5 ways to reconnect when you feel distant from your partner. Hey friends, welcome back to Real Love Unlocked, where we talk about real love, real growth, and genuine connection. I'm Miss M, and this is the space where we help you build healthy, lasting relationships that feel safe and fulfilling. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new video. Number 1. Name the distance. The first step to reconnecting is acknowledging what's really going on. It's easy to ignore the feeling of disconnection or blame it on stress, work, or routine. Try saying something simple like, I miss how close we used to feel, instead of, you've changed. Naming the distance opens the door for understanding instead of defensiveness. Number 2, bring back curiosity. When couples have been together for a while, they stop asking questions, but curiosity keeps love alive. Ask your partner things like, what's been on your mind lately? What's something you've been wanting to do together? These open-ended questions help you rediscover each other beyond the daily routines. Number 3, schedule connection, not just time. Spending time together isn't the same as connecting. You can sit next to someone all day and still feel distant. Instead, create intentional moments. A screen-free dinner, a morning coffee date, a walk after work. It's about quality, not quantity. 4. Practice. Small acts of affection. When you feel distant, big romantic gestures aren't what you need. It's the small things that rebuild trust. A gentle touch on the shoulder, a genuine compliment, or simply saying, I appreciate you, can soften walls faster than any grand plan. And last but not least, number 5. When your partner opens up, resist the urge to fix it. Sometimes they just need you to listen. Try saying, that sounds really hard, or thank you for sharing that with me. Listening with empathy makes your partner feel safe, and safety rebuilds closeness. Okay, let's recap. To reconnect with your partner, start by naming the distance. Bring back curiosity. Make time for intentional connection. Practice small affection. And communicate without trying to fix everything. Which one of these 5 tips do you want to try first? Drop it in the comments and let's talk about it. Love isn't about perfection. It's about attention. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Real Love Unlocked for more videos on healthy love and real connection. Until the next video, keep growing, keep loving, and keep unlocking your best self.